All right, I'm going to show you how to get started here in Google Docs with the assignments that we have. First of all, once you type out your document, I don't have the whole document typed out, but I have a start of it. So when you get up to this point, I'm going to highlight the title, and I'm just going to go right up here, and I'm going to click on title. Okay, you may not get the underline here, but that's okay. Obviously, these are your bullets. You'd go right in here, you just click on the bullets. This Washington Monument heading here is a heading 1. So you'd go right up here and click on heading 1, just like that. Okay? Now, you do that for the same thing all the way down. Now, when you get to the pictures, you may want to do the pictures at the very end. It's a lot easier. I'm just going to make a little bit of room for my Washington Monument. And then I'm going to center this guy. You don't have to center it right away, but you can center it now. I always do. So, the correct way to do this, when you're going to insert a clip art that's going to be attached to a YouTube video, you have to go to Insert, Drawing, New. Let this guy load up a little bit. You're going to choose this one right here, this image. Click on it. We're going to search. I want to search the Washington Monument. It's going to go out onto the internet, and you can choose any one of these you want. I'm going to click on this one, and I'm going to select it. Let it load up, and then save and close. Just let it load onto your screen. I'm going to resize this because it's kind of big. See, it took up a lot of space. So I'm going to drop it just a little bit. There. You know you did it right if you can see this link right here. Okay? So before I do anything, I'm going to go to the internet. I'm going to go to YouTube. I'm going to search for my Washington Monument. There it is right there. I'm going to choose any one of these. I'm going to use this one. I'm just going to click on it. Once you get that up, copy the URL or the internet address. Copy. I'm going to go back to my document.
I welcome you to the mighty Washington.
Let me turn this thing off. I don't want to listen to that right now. There. Go back to my document. Click on my link. Paste it in here. Apply it. And really, there you go. I'm going to put a little border on here. Okay. Now, I'm going to just close my internet here, or my YouTube, and I'm going to click on this guy. Let's see, I'm going to click on it to see if it works. I'm going to click on it. Should take me right to YouTube, and there it is right there. It's going to start up.
I welcome you.
There it is.
To the mighty Washington Monument.
Just do that for each one of them, and you'll have it made. There you go. Good luck.